At TCS Education System, we've been using GoToMeeting for several years, and many of our faculty and staff and students have recorded meetings that are sitting on the GoToMeeting servers. And so this video is going to teach us how you can download those meetings and upload them into Canvas using Studio. The first thing you'll want to do is log into GoToMeeting. Unlike Zoom or Canvas, your login to GoToMeeting is going to be a unique password, different from the typical single sign-on that you use. Once you're logged in, then on your dashboard, you're going to be in the Meetings tab. This will be an archive of all of your past meetings and rooms. Click on the History tab, and not every meeting that you conducted will have been recorded unless you specifically recorded them, but you can search for your recorded meetings by checking the box. When you find the video that you want to download, then click on it. This will give you the option to download it onto your computer. You can choose which elements you want to include in the download, and then click the download button. Now hop over to the Canvas course where you want to upload your recording. In this sandbox course, I'm on an announcement page, but you can very well use a regular Canvas page, an assignment, a discussion, or a discussion post, any page that has the rich content editor. On the new rich content editor, I want to look for applications, and I'm going to select Studio. Now Studio gives you several options to choose from. You can embed a video that you've already created and uploaded, either for this class or for any class that you've uploaded content to. I can record new content by either doing a screen capture or recording my webcam. In this case, I want to add content that I've already created. I'm going to click on Browse Files, and I'll choose the file that I just downloaded. Depending on the length of the video, it could take just a few moments to process, or it could take a couple minutes. Now that I have my GoToMeeting recording uploaded to Studio, I can select it. I have a couple of options. One is to allow comments, and this way when the students view the video, they can leave comments on the timeline. If you want to disable that, then you just toggle it off. I can also allow my students to download the video, and this way they can view it even if they don't have a stable internet connection. Finally, I'll click on the Embed button. You can add additional text to your announcement or content page if you wish, or just leave the video as is. When you're ready, then you can click Save. One final thing I would suggest doing is going into the Studio page and adding captions. On your video, click View, and here's where I can also edit the details, for example, the name of the video. I can also have Studio request captions. What I will do is select English and then Request. The captions are then automatically generated, and the amount of time it takes to generate the captions depends on the length of the video and the complexity of the narration. When the captions have been generated, you can click Review it and Publish. This video is pretty simple, but you would want to check for grammar, punctuation, and make sure that it's accurate. Once you have that done, you can click Publish. Now heading back to the Announcements page, we can review the video and see that there's captioning available. And this is an overview of how you can download your GoToMeeting recordings, upload them into Studio.